Want to become an XRP trading pro on Huobi? Here's your quick guide. Step 1. Create a Huobi account. Visit Huobi's website and sign up. Don't forget to complete KYC to verify your identity. Step 2. Deposit funds. Choose your deposit method: bank transfer, credit card, or crypto. Follow the instructions to transfer your funds. Step 3. Find the XRP trading pair. Head to the exchange section and use the search bar to find XRP trading pairs like XRP USDT or XRP BTC. Step 4. Place an order. Decide between a market order to trade at current prices or a limit order to set your own price. Enter your order details and hit confirm. Step 5. Monitor your trades. Keep track of your open orders and adjust your positions as needed. Remember, trading fees apply and cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Enable two-factor authentication for security. Bonus tips: research XRP, develop a trading strategy, use Huobi's tools, and stay informed on market news. That's it. You're now ready to trade XRP on Huobi.